Okay, next we will copy both pillars, make a copy of both pillars. So to do that, first we'll click on one pillar, then we will press the shift button. While the shift button is still pressed down, I click on the other pillar. So if you notice, both of these pillars are selected. Now I will use the move tool. Click on the move tool. I will go up here to the right corner, it says corner of pillar, and I will start dragging over. While I'm dragging over, I will press the control button, control, to make a copy, the CTRL button we talked about earlier, and drag over, and once it's on the face group, release. So now let's rotate to see what we have here. There you go.